Example 3, multiplying matrices. Matrices A and B are defined as follows. A equals 1, 2, 3, and B equals 4, 5, 6. Find AB and BA. So let's go ahead and start by finding AB. So the first thing we need to figure out is what the order of each matrix is. So we know that the matrix A is of the order 1 by 3, row by column. We know that matrix B is of the order 3 by 1. So in order for these two to multiply together, these two numbers must be the same, the 3 and the 3. We know that our final answer is going to be of the order 1 by 1. So AB is going to be of the order 1 by 1. So all we need to do is we need to draw our matrix, and we need to do row by column multiplication. So 1 corresponds with 4, so we're going to have 1 times 4 plus 2 corresponds with 5, 2 times 5, and 3 corresponds with 6, 3 times 6. And now all we would have to do is simplify this, and this would become 1 plus 4, or 1 times 4 is 4, plus 10 plus 18, and that all becomes 32, which is a 1 by 1 matrix. So that's our final answer. So AB is 32. Now let's look at question B, BA. So if we look at multiplying them in a different order, we have a 3 by 1 matrix for B, and A is a 1 by 3 matrix. Now we can see that the ones here are the same, so we know we can multiply them together. And we also can see here that A times B is going to be, oh, I wrote it wrong. Supposed to put A, B next to each other. Is going to be of order 3 by 3. So I am going to make sure that when I multiply these, I'm going to start off with B first, and then multiply that to A. Oops, I wrote A incorrectly. I don't have enough room there, do I? So this is going to be a row by column multiplication. I know that I'm going to have to multiply 4 times 1 then I'm going to have to multiply 4 times 2, and then 4 times 3. And now I need to multiply 5 times 1. Five times 2, and 5 times 3. And then lastly, I need to multiply 6 times 1, six times 2, and 6 times 3. And now I can just simplify all of these. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. And 6 times 3 is 18. And that gives me A, B, which turned out to be the 3 by 3 matrix that we were looking for.